Welcome to the Car Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most extreme and futuristic luxury travel machines on wheels. The 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion built on serious commercial truck DNA, designed for people who want adventure, power, and 5-star comfort all in one unstoppable package. From the very first glance, this motorhome looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The towering double-decker body sits confidently on a rugged 6x6 Scania chassis, giving it massive road presence. The aggressive front design, bold grille, and muscular stance make it clear that this machine is built to dominate highways, deserts, and mountain routes alike. High ground clearance, reinforced bumpers, and heavy-duty off-road tires ensure it's ready for extreme terrains, while sleek LED lighting and aerodynamic touches add a modern luxury feel. Despite its size, the design is surprisingly refined, blending brute strength with premium aesthetics. Step inside and the transformation is unbelievable. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The lower deck welcomes you with a spacious lounge area featuring plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. There's a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances, solid countertops, smart storage solutions, and even a built-in coffee machine. Every surface feels premium, with soft touch materials, wood accents, and metal finishes working together to create a warm yet futuristic atmosphere. Moving upstairs, the second level takes comfort to another level. This is where you'll find the master bedroom with a king-size bed, smart entertainment system, and stunning views through large windows or a skylight. Some configurations include a private office, a second lounge, or even a small gym or entertainment room. The bathroom setup is equally impressive, featuring a full-size shower, modern fixtures, luxury tiling, and hotel-style comfort. Climate control zones, sound insulation, and smart home-style controls make long journeys effortless and relaxing. When it comes to performance, this Scania double-decker motorhome is in a league of its own. Under the hood is a powerful Scania diesel engine, typically producing well over 500 horsepower, paired with an advanced automatic transmission. The 6x6 all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on sand, snow, mud, or steep inclines. Despite its massive size, the motorhome delivers smooth acceleration and impressive stability, thanks to advanced suspension, adaptive damping, and electronic driving aids. Long-distance cruising feels confident and controlled, even with a full load. Safety and technology are equally advanced. The 2026 model comes packed with driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, collision warning, multiple cameras, and advanced braking systems. Long drives feel less tiring, and maneuvering such a large vehicle becomes surprisingly manageable with the help of modern tech. Now let's talk about pricing. This level of luxury and capability doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome is expected to start around $600,000 and can easily exceed $1 million depending on customization, interior layout, off-road upgrades, and luxury features. While the price is high, buyers aren't just purchasing a vehicle, they're investing in a lifestyle of freedom, comfort, and extreme adventure. In the end, the 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome is the ultimate expression of luxury meets power. It's built for those who refuse to compromise, whether they're crossing continents, exploring remote landscapes, or simply traveling in unmatched comfort. If rolling luxury with unstoppable performance is your dream, this motorhome delivers it on every level.